What if I told you Manish Malhotra isn't just India's biggest fashion designer? He's building a luxury empire. Every time a Bollywood superstar walks the red carpet or a billionaire hosts a wedding, chances are Manish Malhotra is somewhere behind the scenes. But today, he's no longer just designing clothes. He's building a brand that stretches across fashion, beauty, jewelry, films, and even global luxury. So, how did one costume designer become one of India's most powerful entrepreneurs? Let's find out. Long before luxury market and couture shows, Manish Malhotra was simply a young man obsessed with films and fashion. He never attended a fashion school. Instead, he began his career modeling before getting his first break as a costume designer in the late 1980s. The turning point came in 1995 with Rangila. Urmila's fresh, glamorous looks changed Bollywood styling forever. Suddenly, costume designers weren't just dressing actors, they were creating trends. And Manish Malhotra became the biggest name in the business. Over the next 3 decades, almost every A-lister wore Manish Malhotra. Shah Rukh Khan, Kajol, Kareena Kapoor, Alia Bhatt, Kiara Advani, Deepika Padukone, and many more. From Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum to Rocky or Rani Ki Prem Kahani, his costumes became as iconic as the films themselves. But Manish understood something only a few designers did. Celebrities don't just sell movies, they sell fashion. Every film became marketing, every wedding became a runway, every celebrity became a brand ambassador. Then came his biggest move. Instead of just staying a designer, Manish built a luxury business. Today, his label includes couture, bridal wear, menswear, jewelry, beauty, accessories, and international business. His bridal collections dominate India's luxury wedding market, where a single outfit can cost several lakhs or even crores. His designs are worn not only by Bollywood stars but also by global celebrities and wealthy clients across Middle East, the UK, and the US. In 2021, Reliance Brands acquired 40% stake in Manish Malhotra's company, giving the brand the financial muscle to expand globally. And in 2025, he took another giant leap by becoming one of the first Indian designers to showcase on the official calendar of Paris Haute Couture Week with his collection Ma, proving that Indian craftsmanship belongs on the world's biggest fashion stage. Manish Malhotra's story isn't just about fashion. It's about understanding aspiration. He realized people weren't just buying clothes, they were buying a dream, a celebrity moment, a wedding fantasy, a piece of Bollywood. Today, Manish Malhotra isn't competing with designers. He's competing with global luxury brands. And if his journey proves anything, it's this. The most successful designers don't just create fashion, they create empires. If you love stories about the business behind Bollywood, luxury, and iconic brands, subscribe to Famous TV. Because sometimes the biggest stories aren't on the screen, they are behind the scenes. This is Dua. Keep watching Famous TV.